Hey YouTube, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to expand a photo using Photoshop in order to make it fit your Instagram feed correctly. Now the first thing you're going to do is from Lightroom here, I'm actually wanting to pull this photo up in Photoshop, so I'm going to select the photo, right click it, select edit in, and it's going to pull up Adobe Photoshop. I'm going to select edit a copy with Lightroom adjustments, and it's going to pull up that photo here in Photoshop. Now, anytime I'm working in Photoshop, the first thing I want to do is copy this layer. So Control J on Windows, Command J on a Mac in order to make a duplicate layer. And what we're wanting to do is we're wanting to expand the sides of this so that it'll fit the feed on your Instagram. What you'll want to do is make sure that here at the top you'll select Window and that your workspace is got photography selected. That way you have the same tools and icons here on the left side. Otherwise, we're going to click this crop tool by selecting it or selecting C on the keyboard, and you'll see that it now selects the entire photo, and we can drag out the sides to increase the crop. Now, one thing you'll notice that if you do drag, you'll see these pixelated squares on the outside, and we don't want that, right? We don't want that at all. What we want to do is we want to be able to drag this to the side, but then have the computer automatically fill those spaces in. So make sure that with this, you're going to select content aware, and you're going to drag one side over to as much as you want, and you're going to drag this side over as well. Now you'll see the pixelated boxes here. That's okay. Once you hit the checkbox, it's going to work for just a second depending on your system, and it will automatically fill in those pixelated boxes with what we want. There you go. And as you can see, now the pictures now increase the size of the outside edges of this. Now the best ratio that you'll want to use for Instagram is of course 4:5, and with the added width here we'll be able to do that. I'm going to hit save. I'm going to save this picture, and that's going to save this picture back into my Lightroom. And once that's done, I'll open Lightroom back up, and you can see it'll automatically pull up that photo. I'm going to select this one here, and you can see now the width is now added to that photo. Now what's awesome here is you can select this, make sure you're in the develop module actually first. So here at the top you've got develop here, make sure you're in develop. We're going to click the crop overlay or press R, and we're going to crop this to fit Instagram feed. For 2019, I want to say it's 4:5. So we're going to come over here to the custom box where it says original. We're going to click that box, and we're going to hit enter custom. And right here in an aspect ratio, we're going to do 4:5, and then click OK. That's going to get you the exact dimensions that you need for your Instagram. I'm going to position her right in the middle. Click done, and booyah. Now we've got the exact size we need for Instagram. You can export that photo or email it to yourself, or if you've got Lightroom CC like I do, just go ahead and pull it up there, and you can upload it just like that. I hope this was helpful, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Make sure you hit the bell icon, and I will see you all in the next video.